Hi, and welcome to this episode on batch reporting within Enterprise. I'm Sharon from Enterprise, and in this session, we'll take a look at how to track your batch numbers. So let's get you started. So if we click here on the Items menu, there are several batch reports available that allow you to track the movement of your batch numbers, so within your warehouses. So for any of your stock items, you'll be able to see exactly when the batch was received, when it was issued, or any movement relating to it. So let's take a look first at the Batch Availability Report. And this simply will detail exactly all the batch numbers and expiry dates and quantities that are available within all your warehouses. So I can simply select an item and or a warehouse. And just to note that on the item code selection, only batch numbers or batch item numbers will appear here. So click on search to retrieve all items, and you will get the details of the warehouse, the item code, the batch number, any reference you entered at the time, the expiry, and of course the quantity. And at any stage here, I can change the column selection to filter if I want that in order of item or batch number, or I can go back to warehouse. And of course, you can export the data to Excel to analyze further. The next report is the batch expiry. And very simply, this will tell you, so if you want to see batch items that may have already expired or that are getting close to expiry, for example, at the end of the current month, very simply, enter your expiry date. So let's choose the end of February. I can then select the item and the warehouse, or simply click on search to see what items and batch numbers are due to expire within the month. And it will also tell me exactly how this item was originally received or any documents relating to that item and the quantity that's outstanding. So I can scroll across here to see further information. So the next report is the batch traceability, and this really is the audit report for the batch numbers. So this will basically give you all movements relating to your item and your batch number. So you can see here that the required fields is item code and batch number. So simply select your item number, then select your batch number, and then simply click on search to retrieve a list of all the movements that have occurred so far for that batch. So again, it'll filter here by date. Again, you can export the results to Excel. It'll tell you exactly the date, code, warehouse, batch number, expiry, of course, the quantity, and the document type. So you can see exactly when the stock has moved in and moved out and when the history has occurred. And the final report here then is the batch sales report. So very simply, this will detail all the sales transactions that have taken place against your batch number. And again, the required fields here are item code and batch number. So again, I can select my batch item code and I can select the batch number, click on search, and then it'll simply return the sales transactions relating to that batch number. So in this instance, they're both based on sales deliveries. However, if there were sales orders or sales invoices, they will also appear here. Well, I hope that has helped you to understand the batch reporting better. So if you require any further help, don't forget to check out the help articles on help.enterprise.com or simply reach out to our support representatives here in the chat box. And you can also scroll down here to get a direct link to the Help Centre. So thank you for watching.